In the previous video, I have just discussed that what is a simple user-defined function and how I can call a function. So in this video, let us see what is the meaning of function parameters. So every time I call a function, it is not a predefined value will be there. So we can call a function with a parameter, or we can call a function that what has to be done there. Fine. Let's define a function. So that's how we define a function. Write the keyword define, and let me take a function name whose name is greet. Okay, and inside that I'll write in the bracket, I'll write name. So previously, if you have seen, I have not written anything inside the parenthesis. Now I am writing one value there, or it's a called it is a variable, if you have understood earlier, and in the function it is called as a parameter. So I'll just write here. So name is what? It's a function parameter now. Fine. Okay, now in the indentation, what I'll do, I'll write print, and I'll try to include the name variable inside the function. Okay, now here I'll write uh, hello, and then I'll give a comma, then outside that I'll just write the name. So here what I have done, if you have understood how does print statement work, so here I am writing the hello message with a comma, and then I am writing the name. Now if I execute this code, you see there is no error and there is no output also. But if you remember, I am using a name as a variable here inside the print statement, but I have not given it any value. So here, without any value, there is no error because the function is being defined. So we are not executing the function right now. So to execute the function, I need to call the function also. So how do I call? Previously I have seen, just write the function name and then followed by a parenthesis, it will call the function. But now here what I'll do, I'll pass one variable or pass one value here. Let's say that's my channel name. Let's say m classes. I'll write here. Okay. So here what I have done now is, inside the function calling, where I am calling the function, I am passing one value. So internally what will happen, let me just execute this line. So see what is the output here, hello, then m classes it is coming. So what is this, from where this m classes is coming? Now you see in the function definition, I have used the variable or the parameter name, and the name is being used inside while as a parameter when I have defined the function. So eventually what happens here, the value of name is equals to m classes, that's the string I have passed in the function call. Okay, so that is what I'll just write, it's the string, is the string or the value that is passed while calling the function. So that's what I have done. Fine, simple. So that is what called as a parameter. Parameter means what? Through which you can pass a value from the function call to a function definition. So as simple as that. So this is what is a function parameter, and next we will see different types of parameter in the next video.